Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about recommender systems in publishing. We are all familiar with recommender systems, but just may not call them by that name. They are part of every successful website. They help drive interaction and sales by helping customers discover products they might need or want. Think of Netflix suggesting a movie to you and predicting what you would rate the movie based on your previous viewing. This is the most concrete example of a recommender system. It not only recommends other products or items, but predicts your level of interest. Publishing, and more specifically scholarly publishing, has been recommending other articles or content to readers for some time. Most often these recommendations are simply a connection of keywords or metadata from one article to the article or content being viewed. What this system lacks is the reader or user's rating of previously viewed content, whether a star rating or simply a like or dislike. Also part of the equation might be a preset profile the reader may have filled out that lays out their interest, then connects it back to the categorization of that content, such as in movies, action, or drama. Essential to recommender systems are the differences from content-based filtering and collaborative filtering. Wikipedia has great explanations of these more technical terms, and there are some simple videos that discuss them if you want to dive deeper. The question is if scholarly publishing should move towards these systems. If some users are accustomed to websites providing this kind of predictive type recommendations, then they will start to expect all content-heavy websites to do the same. Purists may cringe at heavyweight research articles being boiled down to a thumbs up or thumbs down or a Facebook like. Either way, more accurately recommending content to readers is in a publisher's interest. So improving current methodology, whether with a recommender system or not, is essential. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on my playlist here to see more of my videos. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.